Hello everyone, this is me again Mark and welcome to my channel. But first, I want to shout out and I want to give special thanks to all of the subscribers of this channel and to all who are supporting, viewing the videos of this channel. Thank you so much. Because of you, we are growing. And for this video, I really want to show you, and I'm so excited to show you this remodeled model unit of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan here in Basak Suntungan. This is a development of Primary Homes. You know, Primary Homes is a Cebu homegrown developer and one of the trusted real estate developer here in Cebu. Not only in Cebu but in Negros, Bohol, and in here in the Visayas. And we all know that Royal Ocean Chris Mactan has been standing already, and we already turned over the units of the Tower A, Tower B, and Tower C, and soon Tower D will be turned over too. But we changed the developer changed its model unit, and it's really fresh, it's modern look, and I really want to show this to you. I will show you the 2-bedroom model unit and the 1-bedroom model unit of this Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. And since we are doing this video about the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan, I would like to say to you that Royal Ocean Chris Mactan also has a second series that is located in Marigondon, and that's pre-selling for now, and we have to expect about 4 to 5 years before that unit, the units there in the phase 1 will be turned over. It is one of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan series among the other Royal Ocean Chris series here in Mactan and in Bohol, because it has a ocean beach access, and that development will have its own resort amenities and mixed use, because there will be a commercial in that project. It's really a township, and it's really a big project of primary homes, a condo project, residential and commercial project of primary homes. And if you are interested to view the units here in the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan in the Basak Suntungan, I am so happy to tell you, and I am so maybe excited. Just really. If it happens that you are looking for a real estate condo property here in Mactan, the cheap one, quality one, with resort type amenities, we can say a big area, since the this 2-bedroom is 60 square meters and packaged with 1 parking. And I think this one, try to consider to view this one, because I can tell you from my own perspectives, this is one of a good buy, or a good real estate condo project to buy. So no more talking, I will bring you now to the unit. Oops. So this is the model unit, and it's really fresh, really brand new. I will start from the door. And this is the new model unit of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. This is 60 square meters condo, 60 square meters project. You have here the laundry area, the toilet area, and you have here the shower area, and that's it. And you have here the closet. So this is just only an idea of how you do the interior of the master's bedroom, because the actual unit that is going to turn over, there is no partition with this. Especially in Tower A and C, the unit is bare, no partition and no flooring. And this is, for this model unit, this is the master's bedroom. And you have here that you can put your TV, and you have the table here. That's your bed area, that's your closet, and that's your bathroom. And this is your dining area, your kitchen, your living area, and you have that balcony out there, and that's the entrance of the condo. And this is the second bedroom of the 2-bedroom model unit. So if you are going to buy in the Tower B and Tower D, the units there having we will just imagine without all of these furnitures and appliances, only that partition, bed partitions, and flooring, tiles, and painted walls, finished painted walls. That is the deliverable of the model unit, the 2 bedrooms, the actual. Since this is model unit, so there are furnitures and appliances. That's why. So this is the 2nd bedroom of the unit. That's it. And let's try to go now to the one bedroom of this Royal Ocean Chris Mactan. Let's go from this so that you have the idea of and the laundry area. Let's go now to the 1 bedroom model unit. So the same, it's fully furnished since this is model unit. So let's go. We are just in the same floor. So this is the 2 bedrooms. Here, this is the main door, and this is in Tower B, Tower D, because Tower D is different. Sorry. This is the Royal Ocean Chris 2 bedrooms in Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 2, and this is the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 1, which is this project. And this is the door. This is the balcony, your bedrooms, and the CR. And on the model unit, the developer put a partition here, and it makes into a closet. So the actual deliverable will be this. It's open without partition here. And this is the 2 bedrooms in Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 2. Entrance. The entrance will be, where's the entrance? It must be here. Yes. Wait. So the entrance of the unit is this one. This is the entrance. Then you have the dining area, and you have your toilet and bathroom and lavatory, and master's bedroom with balcony, and the 2nd bedroom with balcony. So you have 2 balconies in Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 2. Unlike in Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 1, there is only 1 balcony. And for the 1 bedroom of the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan, this is the floor plan for the 1 bedroom. You have the entrance and exit of your unit, the main door, and your CR here, living area and dining area, and your bedroom. This doesn't have balcony, but if we go to the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 2, all the bedrooms there, all the 1 bedroom there is with balcony. Here, no balcony, all 1 bedroom, doesn't have balcony, only the 2 bedrooms. So it's 30 square meter, the entrance, it's the same layout, only the difference is the balcony. So if you are looking for something with balcony and you can wait for 4 to 5 years, maybe you can get the Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 2. And let's try to check the model unit of this project. As we enter this model unit, CR, and your dining living area, and your dining living area, kitchen, and this model unit doesn't have balcony. I would like to correct some of the units that I hear in Royal Ocean Chris Mactan 1 has balcony, especially the unit B, balcony. The one bedroom has balcony, small balcony. But the model unit doesn't have balcony. So this one, this is 28 square meters because the 30 square meters has balcony in Royal Ocean Crest Mactan 2. 30 square meters. And this one is only 28. And this is a one bedroom condo. And that's for the video for the model units of the Royal Ocean Crest Mactan 1 and Royal Ocean Crest Mactan 2 here in Mactan Island. This is the model unit of the Royal Ocean Crest 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. And this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and hoping to see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you all and your family.